What's up everybody? In this video I will tell you how to complete individual identity verification KYC for Bybit account. For that the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is to go to your Bybit account and then click on account and security. So for the basic account you can only transfer 2 BTC per day, but after upgrading it you can upgrade the limit. So first thing is identity verification. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the navigation bar and then tap on account and security page. After that, click on verify now beside the identity verification column under account info, and after that enter the identity verification. Click verify now under level 1 identity verification to start verifying your identity. So after that, all you have to do is to select the country or region that issued your ID and your identity document type to upload a proof of identity documents. So after uploading it, all you have to do is to complete your facial recognition, and which can be done using your mobile phone with front camera on. So that's pretty much it. After that, all you have to do is to submit that identification. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.